Hello YouTube, this is the Savage here, hiking with my cousin. And you want your face in it or no?
Sup?
Yeah, sup YouTube. Hope you enjoy.
Crap, dude. Hold up. Let's go this way. I don't want to get my Converse ruined.
Yeah, I'm hiking and I worry about my food. I know, right? Lame. Sorry YouTube if this is really quiet. Ow! Just gotta concentrate. Ow! Bad place to hike, right? I like it here. Oh my God. Ow. It's like a little homemade bridge right there that I made with mud and sticks. Me and my friend did. Yeah, I haven't used it for a while.
You get that?
No. Okay, as you can see, it's sturdy. Don't want to drop my phone, so I'm holding it nice and tight. Okay, I got across that rickety bridge. That sucks. Okay, let's go. Sorry if this is boring to watch and all. A second ago, I just needed my concentration. But yeah. I guess whoever watches this, I'm guessing you like outdoors and stuff. And yeah. Let's go. Stay there.
Dude, that just reminded me of the Hunger Games.
I know, right?
When they're running through the...
Ooh, jeez, that scared me. I think it might have just been like a deer.
Yeah.
Because I know people wouldn't be that loud.
It was a deer. Or something like that. Let's just go. Come on. Not go home. Let's go.
I know. Let's run.
No, I'm too sick. Hello?
Shh.
No one's in. Just go. Run.
Hold on. Sounded like gunshots. It looks like people haven't been here for a while. Just so you guys know, this is an old track for automobiles and stuff. Thick forest. But yeah, as you can tell, it used to be home. Just saw a squirrel. I'm betting that's what it was. That loud, really? What is it? Freaking Sasquatch? Bigfoot? What? See anything?
Something's up there, dude. Dude, that's fucking good. Take that video.
Probably didn't last long, but we're scared. As I hear something following us. Got my pocket knife ready. It's up there, it's up there. It's a deer, it's a deer.
You make a lot of noise in
Okay, let's just keep talking because whatever it is going to be scared of talk.
It might be a deer.
Yeah, just keep talking so that it might. Guy, what day is it again?
Saturday.
Yeah, that was a squirrel. Okay, it's Saturday the 12th.
14th.
It's the 14th of November. And you guys on YouTube, hit me up and tell me if it is mating season for them deers. Or anything like that. Because literally, we are scared.
Oh, look. We can find the first bong.
Oh yeah, we found a homemade bong here.
Probably at the bottom.
Most likely. There's swamp, but there's frogs here. It's like turning winter.
No.
It's because it's November and stuff. But this is how our winters look here in Utah. Get that, get that. Jeez, that's what's been scaring us.
Okay, we know what it was. It was a male deer, female, I think.
Male.
Yeah, male.
It was a buck. I don't think it's mating season because that thing would have chased us down.
I would have freaking ran. I would have probably like, nah.
I'd jump through there and stuff, hide between the trees. Okay, ready? Remember we started falling down these hills and we broke your
Glasses.
skiing glasses?